Hi, I'm going to show you how to get started with the Rapid Intake mobile learning product called mLearning Sync. mLearning Sync allows the learner to download a course and all of its media and everything into a native app so they can take the course offline in disconnected mode, and it tracks all of their scores and completions offline and then sends the data back up to the mobile synchronization reporting system, which is kind of like a mini learning management system for mobile learning that gives you basic reporting information when they're back online. Let's go over the main steps to work with mLearning Sync. First of all, you need to upload a course into mLearning Sync that you want the learner to download. Now, we've already taken care of that step for you in the sandbox area, so you can just use a sample course. Then you need to add users to mLearning Sync. Then assign the course that you uploaded to those users. Then the learner installs the native app on their device and they download the course into their native app. And then scores and completions are logged in the mLearning reporting system when they're back online. Now in the sandbox area, we've already created courses for you to use, so I'm going to just log in and add a user. You can log in with the information right on the screen. Go into the administrator functions area and click add a user here. So I'm going to add myself as a user. Now that I've filled out these fields, I can click submit at the bottom. And now I've added the user successfully. It will automatically get the sample courses assigned to me so that I can download them into the native app. If you were starting this with your own courses that you've built, you'd want to upload and assign those courses to the user. But since those are already automatically assigned, we can just go straight to installing the app on the mobile device. So once you've added your user, you want to go to your mobile device and go to your web browser and navigate to the same URL that you were at before, msync.rapidintake.com/sandbox. From here you can install the native app on either an Apple device or an Android device. I'm going to choose Apple because this is an Apple iPad. And I'll install that native app. Now the next thing I need to do is log in as the user that I just added in the web application. So I'm going to put myself in here and put in my password, and then it should log me in and it synchronizes with the web application, tells me I have so many courses I need to download. So I'm going to download this healthcare sample, and you can see it begins downloading here and shows the progress bar. And I'm going to pause the recording while we wait for that to download. Now the size of the download really depends on the kind of media that you include, such as video and audio. Now that it is downloaded, I can tap the play button, and this course is loading. I'm going to go completely offline here, so let me navigate back to the settings and we'll go offline. And we'll navigate back here and we'll take the course. You can see even completely offline I can access the videos. I can even take the scrubber and move it where I want. The whole video has already been downloaded. So we'll just navigate through here and you can see the course works as normal. And I'm just going to visit every page because I want to get a completion. So we'll see if we can get a score here at the end. So I got a 67%. And I've completed it the way it's set up. I don't have a passing score, but it should have some kind of completion the way this course was set up. So I'm going to exit, and you can see it says it needs to synchronize with the sync server. So we'll go back online. And now that we're back online, we'll hit the sync button. And it should send that data up to the sync server, and you can see it's moved it down to the completed status. And if I tap here, you can see it gives me 67%. Gives the amount of time I spent in the course and so on. So let's go back and look online and see if that data synced back there. So I'm now back in the sandbox area, and I can go look for reports in the admin functions. So I'll find a specific learner, which is the one I just added, and we can look at the enrollment report. I've completed this course with 67, a score of 67. I can even drill down on the results and see the details of the specific answers that I gave to every question. So this is a quick overview of how to get started with the mLearning Sync sandbox. If you want to use your own courses that you've built with mLearning Studio, please talk to a product consultant with Rapid Intake. You can also look at the quick start samples here that explain how you can set up your mLearning Studio course and deploy it. If you have any questions, please contact a product consultant at Rapid Intake. Thank you.